when the Supreme Court is possibly going to hear a case to overturn the right to marriage for all is astounding to me.
The victory of Obergenfell in 2015 was a watershed moment for LGBTQIA community, making love is love the law of the land. Now, Christian fundamentalist Kim Davis is hoping that the Trump-appointed and allied conservative justices on the Supreme Court will turn back the clock. Well, we say no. No! We can't rely on the Trump-packed Supreme Court to protect us. The Dobbs decision showed us that they have no problem stripping away our civil rights.
I'm here today because I'm a gay man and I have a right to love. Yeah. And that love is being stomped on.
They're looking to create a religious exemption that gives government employees license to discriminate against people based off of who they love. Shame. Shame. We urge the court to honor what millions of us know already. We know this is fundamental, that LGBTQ families are part of the nation's fabric. We are integral to the fabric of this nation.
What happened that first night at Stonewall was that people became visible. We lived in shadows, in closets. We were not allowed to be full, integrated human beings.
1976, our national body declared that gay and lesbian persons are entitled to equal protection under the law with all other citizenry, laying a moral foundation for inclusion. In 2012, the church called for a repeal of discriminatory laws and authorized a liturgy for a blessing of same-sex relationships. In 2015, just after the Supreme Court made marriage equity the law of the land, our church amended its canons to open the right of matrimony to all people.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of having to come out here every couple of weeks to be able to say and protect my civil rights. How about you guys?
We see this very Supreme Court violate our Constitution, making sure that the president has immunity that he never had before, challenging birthright citizenship to attack the brown community, attacking affirmative action to attack descendants of American slavery. It is now challenging the LGBTQ plus community.
Yesterday, this monster Supreme Court in a 6-3 shadow docket denies the realities of the hardships of the trans existence. It enables Trump to discriminate against transgender people like me and make us de facto second-class citizens.
Again and again, this court is siding with fascist atrocity, and we have to wake up. The courts will not stop Trump's fascism. Congress will not stop and has not stopped Trump's fascism. The only check we have on this terror and atrocities which are intensifying by the day is the masses of people rising up, refusing to accept a fascist America. That is why we are here today, to say, hell no, Trump must go.
It's going to get hard. We are going to be stressed. I have sat in my kitchen on the floor and cried. And I thought, how much more can we take? But then I realized, so you can't see what's ahead of you if you're looking down. So lift your head up. When you worry, look to your left, look to your right now. This is America.
None of us. So they say, why are you fighting for this? What does it have to do with you if you're not LGBTQIA? Because that's another human being that they're targeting. And when they target one of us, they target all of us. You're a fool if you can see a Latino woman getting beat up and her child snatched from her because they talking about they coming after her for her status, and you're okay because you said, well, that's not my problem. I'm not an immigrant. You're a fool if you can see a LGBTQIA brother or sister getting targeted because they just want to marry each other. That's not my problem. You a fool if...
Because we're fighting for the immigrants, he must be removed. We're fighting for our trans friends, he must be removed. We're fighting for the future, he must be removed.
To the decent people!
To the decent people!